This is the CAPM mobile app, the same practice, in your pocket. Staff sign in from the workspace tile with their usual credentials. And this is home, your day at a glance. Pending, overdue, review queue, the 30-day compliance window, every tile taps through to its own list. Below, the tasks waiting on you live from the same data the web sees. Along the bottom, attendance, clients, tasks, compliance, the MIS, and appraisal. One row, the whole practice. Clients. Search by name, code or PAN, and open one. The client's profile, statutory IDs, health, and every subrecord, KYC, stakeholders, banks, documents. And the button that matters most, the workspace. The client workspace, the same module cards as the web, on the phone. Open income tax. Here is the new stage control. Every stage is a tap target. Tap a later stage to advance, even skipping steps, each one still checked. Tap an earlier one to move back, with a note. Backing out of filed asks before erasing the acknowledgement, and only a partner or admin can do it. The fields you see are exactly the module's own. ITR asks for the acknowledgement number and date, GST for an ARN, ROC for an SRN. Nothing that doesn't belong. Notices, on the phone. Open the client's workspace and the notices module. The scrutiny notice we logged is here, with its stage. Logging 1 captures the type from the statutory catalog, the date, the reference, and now also the response deadline read of the notice, and which financial year it pertains to. And edit details corrects any of it later, right here. A client registered in more than one state holds one PAN and one GSTIN per state. The workspace lists every registration, state, unit, and each one's own scheme, and you can add the next one from the phone. The system checks every GSTIN against the client's PAN. The MIS tab, every module, every client, live. Pick GST. The client by period matrix, the same status pills as the web, and the task list beneath, with each client's GSTIN beside its name. And bulk setup now works from the phone. Pick the template, tick the clients, preview what will be created, then apply, the same idempotent engine as the web. And for the cell-level grids, TDS quarter by form, GST maker checker, saved views, reimbursables, classic MIS is back on the phone, one tap from the module grid. Attendance rounds it out, punch in with location, log client visits, request leave, and approve your team's requests, all from the field. That's the CAPM mobile app, the same engine as the web, the same gates, the same MIS, wherever the work happens. Everything you update here is already on every screen in the office.